Robotics is showing manufacturers how easy and practical robot vision can be, even for bin picking, which has traditionally been a very challenging robotic process. In this video, a FANUC M20IA robot equipped with the new IR Vision 3D area sensor locates and picks randomly located connector boxes from a storage container. The new 3D area sensor provides 3D location of the connector box in the bin. The new high-speed 3D area sensor provides 3D maps in one quick vision shot. IR Vision's interference avoidance feature prevents the robot and tooling from coming in contact with the bin walls. It's an easy-to-use tool, allowing bin picking setup through the eye pendant in a matter of minutes. Once picked, the robot uses IR Vision 2D to detect the orientation of the connector box on the fly and places it on a conveyor in a consistent orientation. The conveyor transfers parts to a second bin. Once the first bin is emptied, the robot will pick the bin and place it under the conveyor, and the cycle repeats. All of the hardware and software used in this application is designed by FANUC specifically for FANUC robots, allowing customers a one-stop solution to meet their production needs.